So I'm just doing an inspection on this vehicle because it recently hit a pothole on this wheel. Initially everything was okay, but now I'm starting to hear a little bit of some noise, but it's not that bad, but I can still hear a tiny bit of noise. And so you cannot hear it if the wheel is on and you spin the wheel. You can't hear or feel anything during an inspection. When you normally check wheel bearings, so there are sometimes you have to take the wheel off and the brakes off. In this case, the brake drum, you have to take the drum off so you can expose the hub and manually spin the hub. You can hear that it's making noise when I spin it. Now it's not making that much noise right now. It's very light, I think. And so right now it's not that bad, and there's no play at the moment. So it's my personal vehicle, so I might change it out probably later on if it gets a little bit worse. But that's a quick tip for some of you guys. Sometimes you really have to take the wheel off and manually inspect and spin the hub, because in some circumstances I've seen a lot of times where the wheel bearing noises or the wheel bearing problems, they manifest themselves. I was trying to say that the wheel bearings, they manifest themselves, they hide themselves, and so you cannot inspect it during a regular routine inspection by shaking the wheel and spinning it. You really have to take everything off to expose the hub. And more often than not, I've seen problems with especially on the non-driving wheels, on front wheel drive cars. The rear hubs, they often they start to make noise, and the customer, they can't hear anything either. They cannot hear the noise, but when you do a visual inspection, you are able to hear the noise. This one is not that bad, really. It may be difficult to hear it on camera, so I'm not sure, but that's all I wanted to tell you guys. That's my quick tip for this video on checking hub assemblies, the wheel bearings, hub assemblies on usually on front wheel drive vehicles. This will also apply to vehicles that are rear wheel drive and have a sealed hub unit in the front. It will be the same concept, exactly the same. This is the right rear hub.